The tensile stress calculator. Force over area determines the stress acting on a material when force is applied to a specific cross-sectional area. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have force, F, where you'll enter the applied force value. Next is cross-sectional area, A, where you'll input the area perpendicular to the force direction. Finally, there's an optional field for yield strength, which allows you to calculate the factor of safety. For this demonstration, I'll enter 10 for force F, 10 for cross-sectional area, A, and 10 for the optional yield strength field. After clicking Calculate Tensile Stress, here are our results. The tensile stress, S, equals 1.0 MPa. This represents the internal stress within the material, calculated by dividing force by area. Our factor of safety is 10 tau, which tells us the yield strength is 10 times higher than the calculated tensile stress. This high factor indicates the material is operating well within safe limits. A factor of safety above 1.5 is typically considered acceptable for most engineering applications. This calculator helps ensure your designs won't fail under load. Find the link in the description below.